skin, and we have a goat. Not that the goat should ever be left out, and we've made this one a little blingy. It's pure veg, wonderful veg, around about 1.2 millimeters, and it's got a very performance orientated foil on the top, so you can use your imagination about how you're going to use this. One thing I do onto it is to print onto it. You can digitally print onto this incredibly easily, or you can use it as a base for armor, or it can be a sort of glamorous lining for a bag. So a wonderful goat skin leather, done with a foil, done very expertly by the most fantastic tannery I think in the world today, which is in Northamptonshire, and it's called Blenkinsopps. So beautiful.